Please pardon the wind and traffic noise in the background. I forgot to bring my lapel mic with me. So last year, on the way back from Thunder on the Prairie, I noticed this store, Theisen's Home, Farm, and Auto. Kind of made me think it would be like a Tractor Supply or a Rural King, something like that. I didn't have time to stop in, but I said next year, on the way out to Thunder on the Prairie, I'm gonna check it out. So here I am, going into a Theisen's for the first time. Let's see what they've got. Out in the parking lot, they've got their garden center. So there's some candy up front and some crafts. Actually, they got a shoe department, clothing department, lawnmowers, sporting goods, paint, hardware. Looks like they got some toys down there, laundry, pets. Oh, you know, I've got to try out their red licorice. They've got housewares and cleaning supplies. Birdseed, storage totes. Dog treats, dog food, dog toys. The Honest Kitchen. Goat's milk and cookies, blueberries and vanilla, crunchy probiotic snacks. Made in the USA. Okay. Stuff for trailers, ATVs, automotive department, bunch of dog toys. Some washer fluid, stuff for trailers, not the kind you live in, the kind you haul behind your truck. Look right here, we've got poultry. Hi guys. Black Jersey Giant. Can't even pronounce that. Buff Orpington. Stuff for fences. Livestock stuff here, salt licks. There's more food over there. I don't know if that's dog food or livestock food. Yeah, this place is a lot like Rural King. I'm eventually gonna need something to put a bunch of 380 brass in, so I got the pink bucket. Gonna end up needing some shop towels. These are also made in the USA. They've got some Lyle tools in here as well. We got some plumbing stuff. And here on the back wall, C-clamps, power tools. Here's some more hand tools. DeWalt. Yeah. Okay, I like Milwaukee too. Fasteners. Welding, grinding, electrical. American flags. They've even got an Iowa flag. Ladders. Paint. They do have some farm implement paint, but I don't see John Deere green. Caterpillar yellow. Ah, they're just out. Wait a minute. There's one back there. That's better. Fishing stuff. Must be getting closer to the guns. Camping. Kayaking. Hunting. Got blinds. There's archery stuff. Some airsoft. Scope rings. And they've got rifles. And shotguns. All right, it looks like they've got a pretty decent selection here. And they do keep some spare mags and even some reloading stuff. Now I'm only looking for 3 different calibers. And here's one of them. And that is less than the sale price at the Dunham's near my house in Michigan. That's a regular price. That's pretty good. They've also got 40 Smith & Wesson I'm looking for. Here's Hornady Critical Duty 175 grain flex lock. It's not a bad price. That's about $9 or $10 less than what it cost at the Dunham's by my house. In the aisle with the shotgun shells, they've got hearing protection, cleaning supplies, slings, and knives. They've got a buck 286 and a 284. That's actually a really good price for the 284. Gun cases back there, ammo cans, targets, black powder supplies, more magazines. Excellent. I was so busy looking at the ammo, I didn't even notice right behind me are the handguns. All right, time to check out and get back on the road. Kind of glad I came in here. Really good price on the ammo. So if you're in Iowa, they've got locations in different places. I'm in Coralville, Iowa, just outside of Iowa City. But if you happen to be passing through on a trip, I would recommend stopping in. Thanks for watching.